The infinite doggy loo? No wonder why she's always late for work.
Duca, vem, vamos!
Who needs a gym membership when you have a Great Dane? Let's build some muscles. Big or small pup, a tiny pair of clippers can hold so much power. He's just making sure you don't overdo the push-ups. So thoughtful. Well, well, let's see who has the best decorated Christmas tree this year. Hey guys, I found Goofy and Donald Duck in real life. Let's start a dream interpretation service for dogs. Must be big. When you think you're bigger than your problems.
Do you want to give me your paw? Okay, is that better?
A successful Monday means convincing your Great Dane to bark.
I understand nothing.
Guys, I think you're in the wrong game of Heads Up.
Sit. Paw. Paw. No. That's not what I said. Okay.
The secret to a happy life is to find a friend who doesn't care about size.
Get out.
The dog's got a point, man. That hat isn't exactly your style.
He's supposed to go in bed. And I love you. Go get in him bed. Go get in him bed. Good night, I love you.
No teddy bears needed when you've got a Dane. Best big hugs. Proof dogs are aliens sent to study us. But who's studying whom, doggo? No wonder they say dogs are the best comedians.
Angus, did you steal something from the counter? Angus, did you steal something from the counter?
When your dog thinks they're a lap dog, they're the size of a small horse. Looks like he's figured life out. Let's all take a lesson from this chill Dane. Maybe my dog found his mum and dad. So touching. Ever wonder what it's like to be falling in love? Folks, no matter what the occasion, Danny is always ready to perform.
It's okay.
Yeah, like.
It's okay.
The life of a supermodel. Turns out the perfect body isn't always perfect, huh?
Hey lady, do you wanna go snuggle? You wanna snuggle? We can go snuggle, girl. Come on.
Has given Dobby a sock.
Introducing the world's cutest sock monster ever.
Master has presented Dobby with clothes.
It's a puppy's world. We just live in it. Want to join the fun, human?
Sorry I annoyed you with my friendship.
These guys know exactly how to master a cozy couch. Doggo is like, Dad, that's not how you say it in Doglish.
No, piano. Piano. Piano.
What is it like to raise a Great Dane with the energy of a Border Collie?
Bravo.
Proof that dogs can be very persuasive. Cook and feed me already, Mum. Clearly, this is the most wholesome thing on the internet today. How sweet. Goal. Clean dog. Reality. Mutual bubble explosion.
What has big ears but doesn't listen?
If dogs can sing karaoke, he'd be the star. Don't convince him. His priorities are set. He's not just a Great Dane, he's a great whale.
Oh my god, look at these ears! Look at your ears, dude! Hey, no, hold on. Hey, Rocket! Look at your ears! Look at those ears!
Let's be honest, who wouldn't want to do this? I dare you to keep a straight face.
You just look out the window the whole time?
Yeah, I guess. If you do it right, it takes all day.
Or what do you actually look at?
That guy and wherever that thing is and the lady.
And that's entertaining?
No, but also yes.
Want to know the secret of relaxation? Ask a Dane dog.
That's it. Yeah, that's good enough.
When it comes to laughs, these Great Danes deliver. Don't forget to subscribe for more colossal comedy. Bye for now.